All right, we're back. My name is Jesse, and today we're going to be working on this '04 Sierra 1500. We're going to be replacing the grounding strap. The one that's currently on there right now is probably like 20 years old, and it's like a ribbon, a long ribbon. It's like very kind of worn out. It's had a bunch of heat cycles, and as soon as you touch it, it just wants to fall apart. So we're going to replace the grounding strap, and then we'll see if that helps with a couple of electrical issues that I'm having inside, especially in the dash. Some of the lights kind of flicker and fade, and sometimes they just turn off. And eventually it turns back on, but we'll see if the replacing the grounding strap. Um, it needs to be replaced anyway, but we'll see if that kind of helps with the interior dash lights. So we'll zoom in here. All right, so here's our grounding strap right here. I believe this is a 10 millimeter bolt, and if you could see this like ribbon shape of the wire of the grounding strap, and then behind there is the I think it's a 13 millimeter bolt that we got to remove to take out this ribbon here. This bolt here is an 8 millimeter. All right, it's out. All right, the bolt that goes in the back of the block is actually threaded in like this into the block. So I thought originally it was kind of in this position, but it's not, at least on my truck. There's actually another like ground terminal that I have to put on first, then this one, and then it screws towards the back of the block. And this is a 15 millimeter. All right, we are back in. This is our new grounding strap. It's 4-aught wire all the way back to the block. This is just a wire loom that I had, so I wrapped it in some wire loom just to give it some heat protection. The original grounding strap is this one here, and this is the one that's in the back of the block. It's a 15 millimeter bolt that goes through here, and getting it out only took about 10-15 minutes. It's just putting it back in that took forever. This grounding strap is like some sort of like ribbon, but it's a little bit more flexible, where the 4-aught wire that I use is still flexible, but it's just not as flexible as this ribbon is. And you just got to be patient. It took me like almost, I would say, 45 minutes to screw it in finally in the back of the block. And then once I got it started, I was able to use a 15 millimeter wrench, which was this one right here. I had to slide this way in the back of the block with like one finger, and then tighten it. Again, it took me like 45 minutes, so just keep that in mind. Be patient, and you'll eventually get it in. I started the truck. Everything works great. All the lights are on, super bright. Usually it takes like, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes of driving, and then the lights will start to flicker, they'll fade. Sometimes it'll just turn off. So within like a day or two, I should know pretty quick whether or not this grounding strap kind of fixed the problem, because the lights so far are really bright in the dash. There's no flickering, no fading. So I'll drive it for a couple of days, make another video, and we should know whether or not this grounding strap solved our electrical problems.